The melting pot was one of America's most romanticized metaphors. It promised a world where cultures, languages, and bloodlines would dissolve and blend into a single harmonious human broth, rich, flavorful, and equal. On paper, it was beautiful. But beauty doesn't always translate to biological viability. In practice, the melting pot never melted. It cracked. The reality has been something closer to a pressure cooker, each group maintaining its own boundaries while forced into close proximity with others who do not share the same history, values, or emotional frameworks. These fractures, often papered over by slogans like "diversity is our strength," are now erupting into open cultural wars, racial resentment, and social fatigue. What was supposed to be a unifying experiment has bred a strange irony. People are more distrustful, more segregated, and more fragmented in ideology and identity than ever before. Multiculturalism is not inherently wrong. But forced multiculturalism, with no buffer zones, no organic cohesion, and no reverence for natural tribal instinct, is like tossing predators and prey into the same enclosure and telling them to get along. Diversity can be enriching, but only when it emerges by invitation, not imposition, and only when boundaries are respected. We were told this experiment would produce unity. Instead, it has produced hyper-awareness of difference, hypersensitivity, and a quiet wariness in every interaction. Civility has been replaced by performance, trust by suspicion, authenticity by self-censorship. And beneath it all, a question no one wants to ask out loud: was this experiment doomed from the start?